been done before.
See where it's been done before.
Not as big as what I was thinking.
No. We've got to try and get this done in decent time because we've got to try and get. It's probably. What I was thinking is, you know, after what we was talking about yesterday with Harry, maybe I could shoot up there with Harry. Climbing.
Yeah.
Just we'll talk about just getting up there quickly, where to prune it, things like that. I can do half of the top, you can do the other half.
Yeah.
And then we'll get Ewan up in the MEWP, just go around the sides.
Yeah, absolutely.
Coming in, just give it a wide berth, I would. Pull it back out there for now. We'll get the new box, get the new kit. I think ultimately we'll probably end up back to this. Should we just go and have a bit of a plant over here?
Yeah.
We need to try and get as much this way as we can. She's not really, she don't really want anything down that side. On this wall, there's a wall kind of in the middle of that garage shed. Down there's like a planter bed,
Flower bed.
Yeah. Which is quite precious about. Not
Down below.
Yeah.
Here. Yeah, the walls at the end of the shed here. So from the end there to all underneath these trees and halfway into the garden, there's precious flower bed.
Yeah.
That's to be looked after.
And get the MEWP on that side, we might be able to reach over, but it's only going to get hard. So the by far the worst bit's going to be this corner here. Yeah. So we've just got to take a bit of care. Might be able to. I think the wind is coming this way, so might be able to just along the top of this. Anyway.
Try and get reach over as much as possible from either side of this side of things.
So
we've got a climber in there passing stuff over to you.
You could do that as well, yeah. So basically, we'll try and get up there quickly now.
Yeah.
Get the top leveled in, and then you can start matching in with the top. But he wants it track matting in.
Yep.
So, yeah. We've got sycamore crown reduced by approx 30% up to 2.5 and spread by up to 2 metres. So it's 2.5 at the top, a little bit less on the side. But I think the sides, like I said, if you go too hard, it's just going to end up, there's no growth points, is there? So
No.
it's just got to be a bit more delicate on the side and then just matching it in.
Yeah.
On the neighbouring side of the tree, on the north side, reduce back a little bit further up to 3 metres where possible. But to be honest, if you remember looking from the other side, it was a bit higher on that side, I'm assuming, because in the past they've not been able to access it quite easily.
Yeah. Got 4 in there, so.
All the lines on. So basically, we've got to try and get it done in about half a day. If you want to get there risky done,
yeah.
me and Harry
You
will
get yourselves up there.
get ourselves up there.
Yeah. We have got a ladder in this morning.
Yeah, we'll get a ladder up. And then Jeff just wants us to be aware of there's a duck.
Oh yeah, where's this duck? Okay.
So
I reckon chip about here into the truck. Let's get the MEWP off. Just get it parked up over here for a minute. Get the trailer off, and we'll get that parked in the other side of the lecky van. Track mats off. Get the MEWP in. Get the chipper in position. Pull Big Red up to it.
do you want that out of the way a bit?
Yeah. I think it's alright.
Or should I put it up to the duck so it's a bit discreet?
Put it in the taxi.
I suppose you could do.
Yeah.
Park it sideways even.
Sideways on the duck.
Sideways on the duck.
Nice. Grab my kit, Harry. How many top handles have we got? So is he got one as well? Yeah. think what you want to do, mate, is start heading over to that stem over there, look. That stem. Yeah. Yo!
Those bits just jumped out, probably just over 2 meters, yeah?
Yeah. Right, so I like to think of it, you know, like a colander, like a drainer that you drain your vegetables in. Yeah, imagine one of them upside down, yeah? So you've got all the holes on the top of it. Roughly speaking, what you want to do is work out where the middle of it is. So the middle of it will be the middle of the colander, yeah? And these are all like the these are all like the holes.
Yeah.
Yeah? Obviously these aren't my pruning points. But what I've done here is I've come up, because if I was to take these to start with, where I'm ultimately going to take them, I'm going to be too low and I'm not going to be able to throw them over the top. Yeah? So what I've done first is I've come up, tried to figure out what I can actually leave.
Yeah.
Like I'm going to leave that bit there, anything that's like this. Highest, this is like almost like, if you think about the colander example I just gave you, where do you think is like the middle point of this tree? It's probably about here, isn't it? This one and this one. You see what I mean? So these ones are going to be the highest. That means that everything lower than that needs to be slightly lower. Yeah. So if everything else is slightly lower, you just need to try and figure out where you are in position to the rest of the holes. See what I mean? So slightly lower, and then you start working your way down.
Where do you take something like this with no growth point?
So stuff like that and like this that's not got any growth point off.
Yeah.
Like for what I would do with that, I would strip them top bits off,
Yeah.
chuck them out where I've been throwing them, yeah, over the top. Well, the danger is if it catches on a branch and deflects towards that shed. So if you can, even if they get hung up, look, they can get retrieved. So if you throw them down there, so what I would do is that, it's like I'd strip the top off, but it's quite a good like little anchor point for now, isn't it? So you can probably get one of your secondary anchor points in it, so strip them 3 off the top, and then leave it a bit higher. Then you just have to come back at the end and take it off. Put a pulley in it or something. Hey. Windy, innit?
That's just how you set it up.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Do you reckon in here with this one, sort of then follow that line?
What's that?
Follow that line for about there or there?
Yeah, yeah. So these are all around the centre point, aren't they? So these all want to be like roughly about the same height. See what I mean about it coming back?
Yeah.
That saw's absolute shite. There again. Is that growth point? Just tap it, is it dead or not? Yeah. Oh, that one. That one was the top off it, didn't it? Take that one there, look. So a bit more into the collar there. Yeah. Yeah, so pull that one over. Yeah. Just take the top off that to match it in. Up towards the mute.
Oh, sorry. Mind the man in the mute.
Don't throw it towards the mute, man. Jay, send this sword out. It's absolutely hammered. It's hammered, yeah. Here, Harry. So don't worry about it, I'll just use this. Yeah. So where are you going to go next?
Over there.
Where?
I'm going to go there so I can look over.
Ewan, do you think you'd reach that?
Well, that's corner.
Yeah. I think so, yeah. I think you might even reach that. It's this back stuff that's the it's going to be the problem.
Okay.
Maybe go over there. Here.
Over there, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ewan will do them bits there.
Yeah.
Clear this space out here.
Yeah.
Then I'll pass you the stuff over.
Just reduce all this in so I can get up over it.
Yeah, I reckon if you can get that front edge done, I'll try and get that tricky bit back there and then pass it to Harry. So what you need to do is you need to go down to that fork there and then back up. Set that camera back up if it's stopped. Jay, you should just flick it on and then press the record and it should be on the right setting. Can you reach that bit off me?
Pardon?
So what was your plan with them other bits that you've left as pegs?
I was going to probably put that one back in there.
They even need taking off?
That other one's not a peg, it's got a growth point taking that way out.
Yeah. Can you reach that? Maybe post it through to Ewan.
Yeah.
Just let him know what you're doing.
Yeah.
I don't think it's quite finished over there with the stubs. If it ain't got any growth on it, just take it off.
I'll be able to get these four here.
Hey?
Oh, so nervous about using it
Here.
in the wind.
In the wind.
Oh, I'll probably go that way, but the wind might be blowing that way.
I know, it's a bit breezy, isn't it? Here, Harry. The other one's a bit more low level. Yeah. Not gonna need that saw, are you? Yeah. Fifth. Yeah. Yeah, leave that on. It's just on your way back up, be careful not to snap that off. There's a little stubby bit there that you need to, there's two little bits of dead, or one stub, one dead, and then take that bit off, and then I think that'll be about it. Then you just got to go and sort your top out.
Yeah, it's just that one bit sticking out there, really.
Yeah, and I've just got to take that low limb off. If you want to grab the rods, Tyler, you can keep pulling them branches down. Is it shaping up alright?
Yeah, I was just looking at the camera there, there's one little teeny bit up there that's annoying me, but...
Well, he's not finished his anchor point yet.
That's fine then.
He needs to go back up.
Little mission for him then.
Yeah.
Well, it's not really need doing, but you know, some of them is just annoying.
Yeah.
Looking pretty good though.
Nice. I've gone a bit harder on this side as much as I can, but...
Yeah. No, you're doing a grand job, that's the tricky bit really, isn't it?
Yeah.
Back.
I can't even remember the last time I've done a reduction like this.
I can't remember the last time I seen you in the tree, mate, to be honest.
Last time I can remember I properly climbed was on that crane job.
The last time you climbed out on them though was that silver birch
Right.
at the museum.
Oh, silver birch at the museum, yeah, that one, baby. Still got it though, haven't I?
Yeah, mate.
Look like the bike, innit?
Probably a year and a half since I've done a reduction like this, no sweat.
Mate, still getting about it, alright? Yeah.
Yeah, that little dead nub. Watch out, Tyler. Dead bit, and then there's a few bits around where your anchor point is. Yeah, you're just gonna have to, because obviously you need to try and be on two ropes, so you just have to keep that one loose, the blue one loose.
I can keep moving it around there.
Yeah. Say that you might fuck it up. No idea, is it? It's not ideal reduction conditions. Maybe if I made it a bit lower. Good. It's alright.
You do it.
Just do it.
Oh! I'll throw it at you next time.
Chase it. Right a bit. Chase it. Keep coming to that. Right a bit. Keep coming. Yep.
Can't get a good reverse, can you?
No. And it's all on camera. Jake Bilton.
J Bilton
Top
Reversing
reverser.
Services, available to give quotes.